Now, before we go any further, I wanted to provide some focus for you. If you remember nothing else, I want you to remember these three things. Number one, data and machine learning power effective actions. If you don't have good information and metrics and a reliable way to analyze them at scale, it's going to be impossible to power the best next action, especially at a personalized level. Number two, no-code tools let the marketing team move faster. Low-code and no-code tools allow non-developers to control more of the experience. This lets you leverage more of your team and allow the workflows to move in parallel. This also allows you to decouple the content workflow from the development lifecycle. Number three, an open platform allows IT to focus on innovation. Our IT and developer resources are some of the most valuable resources that you have available, and they're often in short supply. With an open platform, you can augment those resources with services, vendors, integrations, and allow them to focus on adding value faster than ever before. As we go through the demo, you'll see how these themes continue to pop up and how they're critical to any modern solution. With governance and security as the base foundation, we have content, data, and openness sitting in the middle. The umbrella over all of this is composability, and this is what we call the composable DXP. Now, when we talk about this is kind of a fun way to think about it, winning the DXP game and the components that you really need to have in order to make that work. Now, content is king. This has been true for a long time, and it still is, but it also follows that data is queen. And these are the twin hearts of the DXP. They power everything. Now, marketing requires a jack of all trades, and as we'll see, the marketing team needs a wide variety of capabilities, and this is why low-code platforms are absolutely vital in a modern experience. Modern marketing teams move fast, they change often, and they have to be responsive to the needs of the organization. Self-service tools are critical to success. Now, we're calling out commerce here, but ultimately, we want to be able to integrate with any third-party system. This is a core requirement for any modern DXP. Integration patterns that allow you to adapt and adjust to changing markets and to new opportunities. So what's missing? This is our ace in the hole. An open DXP is what makes everything else possible. Acquia's open platform is the only truly open DXP, built and designed to sit at the heart of your digital business. And unlike other DXPs, Acquia supports and recommends a true best-of-breed strategy. Now, keeping in mind that openness is our ace, let's look at how this leads us to this concept of composability. As we talk about composability, we'll need to remember that this concept is applicable at multiple levels. We'll see later how composability relates to content and to data. But let's also keep in mind that composability is available here at the level of the enterprise architect. Best of breed is the strategy that helps organizations win, and no one does it like Acquia. That's why we have the DX Alliance and partner solution sets that provide packaged solutions across multiple vendors. We're in alignment with the best of the best, and this is critical to our success and to the success of our customer. This means that customers are able to grow, evolve, and adapt their tech stack instead of starting over every 3 to 4 years. By pulling out specific pieces and replacing them with new bits of functionality or other vendors, they're able to evolve and grow without having to reset. Bringing it all together, these are 4 of those key concepts that we've just been discussing. Number 1, content and data are the hearts of your DXP, and they power effective marketing. Marketing is critical and is the key to successful e-commerce and to successful business growth. With openness and modularity, organizations have the freedom and agility to adapt and evolve over time. And finally, the seamless customer journey is the result of using the OpenDXP. And this is a difficult thing to accomplish, something that all organizations are trying to do today.